How you guys doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup here, just continuing doing a little bit at a time, and then slowly I can just kind of organize the garage, you know? As you know from yesterday's video, I actually sold that vise, sold the 2-stage snowblower last night, and so I'm stoked. Got rid of 2 things that got for free the day before, you know, got some money for it. So that's always good. Also previously I got this tire from my friend Nick from Lindenhurst. It's a 23 by 10 by 12-inch rim. And this belongs on the Jamal Al-Tet or the Blue Bayou. And so my Jamal Al-Tet rear wheel, it's dry rotted and cracked all over the place. I shoved the ATF in there, it still wouldn't hold. So I'm glad that I have this one. When Nick told me this one has a slow leak, right? I pumped this up and put ATF in it, automatic transmission fluid. It has no cracks and stuff, but he said it did have a slow leak. Well, I put ATF in it and it holds air great, even after 2 days, you know? Same goes for those 2 rear wheels there. I pumped air up in it a couple of days ago and it still holds air. So those 2 rear wheels are gonna be for my Poulon XR lawn tractor I'm gonna be working on probably after I clean up my garage, right? And then today, I am going to put this rim onto my Jamal Al-Tet. But first I gotta clean up the rim, right? Paint it sunrise red, and then use black paint and paint over these red marks over here. So I'm gonna get this wheel ready to install. Mailbag! As you saw, guy came and picked up the snowblower. 30 bucks. Sold the vise, 20 bucks. So 50 bucks. Less than 24 hours after I got it. Scores. Just got this from a UPS guy. It was not Frank. And I just dropped it off. And this is very surprising because looks like it's from Super Clean. Super Clean aerosol degreaser. This is the one that I really like. They sent me 6 bottles of it. It's awesome. That is awesome. I guess it's a thank you gift for my conducting the contest for them. Six gallons of the Super Clean. So when I run out of this solvent in the spray bottle, you can refill it. Looks like I'm gonna have enough for like 5 years. Thanks a lot, Super Clean. Appreciate it, man. So as you saw, I got that other tire fixed up. This is the old one. Bad cracks everywhere. So the new one's definitely improvement. While I wait for that to dry, I've jacked this up, ready for it. Looks pretty good. So I'm waiting for that to dry a little bit before I put it on. In the meantime, we've never taken this around the block before. It's about to pour. It's okay, because I have a roof. Hey. Reverse. Safety switch. I can't lean forward. like that safety switch. Every time I lean forward, it wants to stall. I have to lean back the entire time. It's very sensitive. I might bypass the safety switch. Look at that. If you lean back too much, it wants to stall too. I don't even know how much gas is in here. It looks like I'm gonna make it home though. Engine runs great. The seat safety switch sucks. Let's go slow. Oh, now. Seat safety switch. Pulled it out of here. Looks like it's foursies, all right? Because there's 4 tabs and there's 3 wires going into it. This is a negative over here. That's also a negative going to that one there. So I would assume that, you know, this has got to be positive and these 2 are negative. You know what? I'm just gonna cut them all. See if it works without the safety switch right now. So, as you can see, engine starts without anything. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Sometimes you have to strip this two and connect them to make believe that it's being pressed down, you know? But this is such where, since it's 3s, you cut it and then it's acting like it's not, it's acting like it's being, you know, the circuit is closed. Let's see if I can move with it. So it starts without the seat, right? Let's see if it moves without the seat. Just cut the wire to the seat safety switch, so now there's no safety switch at all for the seat. Starts, goes forward and backwards. So that's all you gotta do. Just cut it. Now I'm gonna try to install this wheel. It's not 100% dry yet without getting my hands completely trashed. That's it. Got a nice new wheel on there, and hopefully this will hold air for a while. This one is DONESKI! Anyway, so today I basically just cleaned up my garage a little bit more, you know, just a little bit at a time. As you can see, the walkways here, I can actually walk through them, right? I moved my carburetor thing from over here to over there. I've cleaned out the bottom here where I could stack 2 engines in there, so it made more room so I could put that there. Because I moved that, I have room over here, and there was also lots of crap that I haven't seen in like 5 years under there, so I threw that stuff out, you know. Went for a ride in the Husqvarna 2346. Bypassed the seat safety switch by just cutting the switch right off, and this thing runs great, forward and backwards. Took it around the block with no engine hesitation, but then we did figure out what we needed to cut that safety switch out. It was a pain in the butt. It was very, very sensitive. I mean, you could breathe and it'll go off, you know? Nothing crazy, fun, or exciting, but a cleaner, more organized garage is vital to everyday harmony, you know? Knowing where everything is and being able to store your stuff is very important. So that's it for today. I'm sorry, it's not so exciting, but it's my Sunday. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage, but they come out driving.
This is Jungle Bob in Birmingham, Alabama, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.